Most students think paying their own college fees is impossible until they see how I did it, starting with nothing but a cheap smartphone. Because listen, 3 years ago, I was exactly where you are right now. No money, no skills, no idea how to earn online. All I had was one cheap smartphone, zero confidence, and a dream to stop asking my parents for money. And trust me, the journey wasn't easy, but it was worth it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to earn enough to pay my own college fees. Not just that, I'll also give you 5 practical earning methods that any student can use, even if you have no skills right now. But before we start, one thing. If you're going to watch this video and then go back to wasting time on Reels, then honestly, this video won't help you. But if you're serious about becoming independent, if you're tired of depending on your parents, then rotate your screen and let's dive straight into the video. Method 1. AI businesses. Right now, AI is the biggest shortcut for students who want to earn without heavy skills. The world is changing fast, and people who understand how to use AI tools will have a massive advantage. You can create AI landing page, design social media content, fix their ads, and even build simple automation. Let's say you get 3 clients in a month, and one client is paying you $50 to create a landing page. It's mean you can income $150 in a month by just creating AI landing page. Many people still do not know how to use AI properly, which makes this opportunity even bigger. You are not selling your physical time, you are selling your ability to generate fast results. Once you learn how to solve problems using AI, you can handle multiple clients and earn more in less time. This is the business model of the future, and students who start now will always stay ahead.
Method 2. Start a video editing agency. Every creator needs one thing more than anything else, and that is editing. Good editing creates retention, and retention brings views. If you can edit short videos with clean cuts, clear subtitles, jump cuts, zooms, and sound effects, you can build a full agency as a student. You do not need expensive software. There are free mobile apps that are enough to get started. The secret is to edit fast and follow trends. Creators, entrepreneurs, shop owners, and even students making Reels are looking for editors. The moment you make a portfolio with 10 sample edits, you can start charging clients. One editor earns money. A team of editors earns income that can pay your full college fees. Method 3. Content creation. This is the most evergreen earning method. You can create content without showing your face. You can make channels on psychology, motivation, money tips, stories, or anything you enjoy. Content creation builds an audience, and an audience builds income. You can earn through ads, brand deals, affiliate income, and your own digital products. Even a small audience can generate more money than a full-time job. The key is consistency and storytelling. When your videos make people feel something, they will watch to the end and follow you. Once that happens, you have built a long-term income source that grows with time. But you can't grow a channel fast. At least you need 6 months to income from a channel. So this is not a fast method for income. Method 4. Teaching. Teaching is one of the fastest ways for a student to earn because you already know something others want to learn. You can teach school subjects, spoken English, math shortcuts, exam tips, editing basics, AI tools, or anything you're good at. You can teach in person or online. You can teach one student or a full batch. You can even create recorded classes that sell again and again.
Teaching builds confidence, improves your skills, and creates a stable income. Students who start teaching early become better communicators and better earners over time. Teaching is not just an earning method, it is a skill that changes your entire personality. Method 5. Digital product selling. Digital product selling is one of the smartest ways for students to earn because it requires no investment, no delivery, and no physical stock. You create something once and it can sell hundreds of times without any extra work. The biggest advantage is that digital products never finish. One file can create unlimited income. You can make templates, planners, checklists, ebooks, and mini courses. Students are always searching for organized notes and clear shortcuts because it saves their time. That demand creates your opportunity. You only need a phone to create these products. Write your notes cleanly, design them in a simple format, and upload them to a platform that allows instant downloads after payment. When someone buys it, they receive the file automatically, even when you are sleeping. This makes digital products the perfect example of passive income for students. Over time, as your library of products grows, your monthly earning becomes more stable. Many students start with just one small guide and later build a full online shop with multiple products. Digital products do three things at once. They help others, they build your brand, and they create income that grows month by month. And if you watched till this point, there is something you need to understand. Most people hear these methods, feel a little motivated, and then go back to scrolling for the next dopamine hit. But the ones who actually change their lives are the ones who take the first step today, not someday. You already have everything you need: a phone, an internet connection, and time. Time that most students waste without realizing how valuable it is. If you use even one of these methods with focus, the next 6 months of your life can look completely different. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Do not wait for someone to give you permission. This is your chance to become independent, to pay your own fees, and to prove to yourself that you can build your own life from zero. If you want more videos where I break down earning methods, teach AI skills, and guide you step by step, then subscribe and stay connected, because this is just the beginning. Your future self is watching you. Make sure you give them something to be proud of.